Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Abu Rakib. Today I am going to share with you Arduino based project. This is LPG gas leakage detector project with Arduino Uno microcontroller. This is the power section and this is the transformer, and this is the full wave rectifier circuit, and this is the power distribution board, and this is microcontroller Arduino Uno R3, and this is 16 cross 2 character LCD display, and this is buzzer, and this is LPG gas sensor MQ2. I am turning off. Here I am turning on the switch. You can see normal condition, no gas leakage. The display is showing normal condition and no gas leakage. Now for the demonstration purpose, I am going to give some gas here, and at the same time I am focusing the LCD display. You can see LPG gas detected. After a while the message is disappearing. I am again giving the gas into the sensor. I hope this tutorial will be informative for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is TutePlus24, and if you need this project, please contact with me. Thank you very much for watching.